People got to believe in themselves and want to have the best from themselves.
If you've got it up here, anything can happen.
Oh, when I look back, Colin, I think, well, sport was my saviour.
Steve, was it a dream come true?
No.
Yeah. Get him up there.
This is the best interview ever.
When I was doing sport, I wanted to be the best hurdler ever.
Yeah, Jonathan Edwards and people would go, have we got any money? And if you'd have said no, we'd have just walked out.
Yeah, and I stood there like this.
Nah, lay back down, girl, lay back down. They're all thinking, knob. And because I was always involved in sport, that's what takes you over.
Bosh! Carl Lewis was ready to take his jump, and the people were going, oh, don't cross this line. I was going, hey, bam! He never stopped for my event, so I'm not stopping for his.
Oh my gosh, you're going to get me! Bam!
All I kept thinking is, that's going to bloody hurt.
And he had one arm and he was missing all these limbs, and you see that guy swimming butterfly and you just sit back and you think like,
wow,
this is mind-blowing, you know?
And if you're successful at it, it gives you confidence.
And the old lady who had about 60 cats, she was a bit mad, was living on the back end of our garden, and she looked over the fence at me running around the lawn, and she said,
"You're not going to lose that 200. I could have bloody freeze. I'm shivering.
Oh my word.
Two big flary nostrils.
If yours is past my ball, I'm giving up.
It's not like, oh, I dream of playing football for Sunderland, you know, which I genuinely
Which nobody would do, yeah.
I did.
You know what you've achieved. That gives you confidence to go out there to do more.
So cool, it's so much fun.
And that really was magic.